I can never understand why this man wants to test my patience by telling me to go back to my mother's house so that I can be taught how to make bitter leaf soup. That's a discussion for another day. Let's talk about how Igbo culture contributed a lot in the suffering of their female children. If you're Igbo, then you already understand what I'm talking about, but if you're not, let me know what your culture looks like. How can you explain where a female child is not included in the sharing of her father's property? A situation where a time is given to a female child to leave their father's house to their husband's house. If that time elapses, they will make the house unbearable to her. A situation whereby a female child will never be allowed to return back to her father's house, no matter what they are going through in their husband's house, because they've taken them as strangers. A situation where the environment will not be conducive for her if she dare come back to her father's house, because their culture will never allow that she should come back no matter what. Well, I really think these are some of the reasons why people go through hell in their marriage and still remain there, because they do not want to come back to the shame that will be waiting for them in their father's house. It is as sad as that. Back to my story, I just had to vent over there. Today we are going to make bitterleaf soup with my grandmother. I hope you all saw the efforts I put in killing that goat over there. Yet everybody will still ask, what do women bring to the table? We bring a lot to the table. Let me advise you, when you want to buy a goat, do not buy this breed of goats, because tell me why all through the process of doing all these things with this goat, I did not perceive that very thick smell of the real Igbo goats. Yeah, let's get serious. We are making one of the most popular Igbo Nigerian soup, and we decided to use this goat's meat as the protein. Let me give you guys a proper introduction. So today we're making bitterleaf soup or noodle soup, and I'll show you guys the cocoyam and the bitterleaf. So I'll show you guys videos as we proceed. Stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. Can you believe it? This is my first time of seeing the heart of a goat. That's if I'm right. Please let me know if I'm right or wrong. Those of you that were paying attention in class for biology class. Yes, so this is the meat. Yes, how we're able to extract. I know you can see, so I'm not supposed to be explaining this video. This is Mama Ginika. She's my grandmother's more like a best friend and a work partner. The process of this grinding this ede is so hard. We're supposed to use a grinder, but the grinder we saw around said he doesn't do that, so we had to use hand grater. This is the one we've done already. This is the one that she's doing. I had to run away so I don't do this process. I know I was asked to come home to learn how to cook bitter leaf soup, but come on, these people, they don't even know that I'm an upcoming YouTube celebrity. That's my grandmother doing her thing. She loves to do it, and she does not love people to help her. Anyway, sometimes yeah, these are all the intestines. We're there to keep that apart because we're going to use that to make pepper soup. Now the red oil and everything has been put inside it. Now we decided to put cocoyam. Cocoyam is like the thickener for the soup. That is what she's using her hand to put in the soup over there. Food is almost ready at this point. This is one of the simplest soup in Igbo land, even though some people find it difficult because of the cocoyam process, and also some people like to use palm fronds. That's if they don't want to use already made red oil. I know I was not able to show you guys all the ingredients in this soup, but in this soup we had cocoyam, we had red oil, we had ogili, we had maggi, we had salt, we had meat, which is our protein, we had fish, and every other thing. So when you add cocoyam, it's meant to help thicken the soup. During this process with my grandmother, I brought back a lot of memories that I missed so much. If you've not gone to the village to do something like this, please visit your hometown today and thank me later. At this point, we're going to wait for the cocoyam to dissolve in the soup, which is what she's trying to actually use that stick. That stick is called oligbolo in Igbo language. That is my uncle's wife. Say hi to her. And that is Mama Ginika doing her things. The next thing that should be added to this soup is the bitter leaf itself. I must inform you that if you're cooking for the public just like we did today, make sure you properly wash this bitter leaf times down number, because you will be shocked at the amount of sand that comes out of it. Thank God my husband sent me back to my mother's house to come and learn the proper way of cooking for more than one person, because this time around he's going to pay double for my bride price. I mean, we should all come together and agree that all men should renew bride price every 5 years, because look at somebody's wife looking all glowed and glammed up. Anyways guys, at this point we're washing the bitter leaf, because I told you if you don't wash it you'll be surprised at the amount of sound your visitors are going to be eating. Yeah, so we're almost done. Food is ready. Put the bitter leaf, turn the soup, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Better enjoy this soup. Eat it with pounded yam or fufu. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.